I'm Jamila Payne from Color Me Crafty, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about puff vinyl, what it should look like, what it shouldn't look like, and how to get the perfect result. I'm going to walk you through pressing the puff vinyl with my Easy Press, with my HTV Runt Auto Press, and with my Walakut Press. Before we get started, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe if you haven't already. Watch the video through to the end and drop me a comment when it's all done. Let's get into it. I have this old t-shirt and I've cut a few strips of the puff vinyl. That way we can see on a little bit larger scale than if it were cut into words how it looks and the difference. And I think I'm actually going to cut the fabric so that we can compare them side by side. I'll be pressing with my Easy Press and my HTV Runt Auto Press and also my Walakut Press. When you're working with Puff HTV, there is a matte side and the shiny side. And unlike other vinyls, the matte side is what goes down on your mat. And sometimes you have to add a little tape around the edges to get it to stick. Puff vinyl is a high pressure, low heat vinyl. I use 280 for exactly 10 seconds. So the first one we're going to try is the Easy Press. So I'm going to go ahead and set my Easy Press. The Easy Press is ready to go, so we're going to go ahead and press that. Your vinyl goes shiny side down. And remember, it is high pressure and low heat. So we're going to take the Easy Press and we're going to put all the pressure we can on it. And you'll see the puff right away. But you shouldn't have all those wrinkles in puff. And this comes from us not being able to get enough pressure with that. Next, we will try the HTV Runt. Go ahead and let that heat up. All right, this one's ready to go. Let's go ahead and press it for 10 seconds. Again, not enough pressure. So now we're going to move over to the Walakut Press. Now over at the Walakut Press, I am going to press this at 280 for 280 for 10 seconds. And you want to make sure that you have enough pressure. I like to put enough pressure on to where it's hard for me to lift it up. When it's done pressing, immediately remove the heat. And there's the puff using an actual press. Let's go compare the three. So now we have our 3 separate pressed pieces of puff. And at the most, what you'll see is some texture from your shirt. But wrinkles like this from the Easy Press or this from the HTV Runt Auto Press, you should not see those. Your puff vinyl should be smooth like this one from our heat press. If anything, if you see any texture, it should be the same look as the texture in your fabric. Wrinkles like these or like these, you should check a couple things. You need to check your pressure, you need to check your time, and you need to check your temperature. Like I explained before, I like to do 280 for 10 seconds with so much pressure that it's kind of hard to lift up my press. I hope I was able to help somebody with this video and help you to understand the heat settings, the pressure, and what your puff should look like and what it should not look like. Thanks for watching.